Greenwood. Greenwood is a market that I have continuously compared to Noblesville because the numbers are they just correlate so well, all the way from your active homes to your average rents to your average days on market, and they do yet again this month. Your average days on market, which is exactly where my eyes go first, like I've mentioned in previous market reports. 37 average days on market. And this is coming from, so if you only jumped into this, if you're just joining us now and you're coming from Westfield's market report at 106, and then you're seeing an average days on market at 37 in Greenwood, you probably just shut us off and immediately contacted your realtor and said, find me a property in Greenwood right now because it looks so good. But active homes, 106 active homes, which is identical to what we were seeing last month. Your average rents in this area up almost 5% at 1831, up from 1745 last month. So let's go. That is awesome. And your average days on market are at 37 in Greenwood, which absolutely correlates to even what we see here at Red Doors, probably just under that, probably closer to the high 20s as an average in the Greenwood area. But that's market wide at 37 there in Greenwood is stellar. And that's clearly indicated by just below that down 61% from month over month. And the average sales price, it's affordable. Now, if I was comparing Noblesville and Greenwood, in Noblesville, we saw that tremendous uptick, right? It was up 12%, up to 377, if I'm not mistaken. And here we're still up 6%, just over 6%, and we're at 333 as an average sales price with an average rent at 1831. So again, you're going to be purchasing under the 333 if you're an investor in this market, and you can still secure an average rent of around 1831. This is a market you have to be looking at.
Yeah, and I mean, this month is all good news for Greenwood. I mean, inventory is down, rent is up, rent sneak peek is going up in June, days on the market is down, sales price is up. I mean, this is just all good news for Greenwood this month.
Even the sneak peek and the median rental price, you're looking at next month of June. Get ready because we're going to uptick just a little bit more. Yep. This is awesome. I like it. Yep. Anything else you want to say about this one?
No, I mean, it's a lot of these markets, the reason we highlight them is because they are good, solid markets. They're good long-term investments. That's kind of the way that we look at it. And Greenwood is definitely falls into that category. Great market, great schools, good renters. So it just falls into that category as well.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. So here we go. Active homes. This year, we are well under the active homes compared to last year, which is a little bit surprising to me because there is, again, still new construction going on in Greenwood. So maybe that is because your tenant prospects are becoming more and more aware of all the good things going on in Greenwood. So they're rushing to this market a little bit quicker. So it's reducing your inventory, even though that there's new construction. Anyway, that's good. It's good signs, and it's stable, right? I mean, I'm blocking out the days on market over there because that's not indicating a more stable. But let's just talk about on active homes. I mean, it's stable in that area, so that's good. And then the days on market. I mean, what do you say about that? It's bouncing all over.
It is bouncing all over. I mean, honestly, I gotta kind of think that the limited data set has something to do with that for sure, because that is a wild ride. I mean, look at that from last year, from 103 down to 8. I mean, that's super, super crazy. I would honestly focus more on the inventory. That's really indicative of, what's going to happen. And we're down, 34 homes from last year. So that's good. That's kind of the trend that we're seeing is inventory is actually down this year, and that's great going into the busy season.
Absolutely, exactly. Yeah.
Yep.